Hello guys, if you're using an LG Smart TV and you're not using these hidden features, you are missing out. Let's go straight to the point. To instantly check your model number, serial number, platform, or software version, press the mute button 3 times. A hidden menu screen will appear. From here, you can view model and serial number, check WebOS platform and software version, perform AV reset, enable or display auto-tuning, control set-top box power, turn screensaver on or off, and you can also disable the LG logo when the screen powers on. This is one of the most useful hidden LG TV tricks. Rearrange or delete apps quickly. Press and hold the OK button. Your apps will start checking. Rearrange apps or delete any apps you don't need. Fast and simple. You can power on your TV without the power button. Make sure the TV is off. Press any streaming app button like Netflix or YouTube. The TV turns on and goes directly to the app. Perfect for quick streaming. Turn audio description on or off instantly. If your LG TV is talking unexpectedly, press and hold the 3-dotted button at the right hand side. An on-screen notification will appear. Audio description will turn off or on. No need to dig into settings. Access Home Hub the smart way. Press the input button. This opens the Home Hub. From here, you can connect your phone, view all HDMI inputs, access smart connection options. It is the control center of your LG TV. Jump straight into the main settings. Press setting once to see quick settings. Press and hold the settings button to go directly into the full settings. This saves time every single day. Create app shortcuts using number buttons. This is a powerful hidden feature. Open any app, press and hold the number button 1 to 9. The app is now saved as a shortcut. Next time, press the number, the app opens instantly. To manage shortcuts, press and hold the 0 button. Edit, delete, or change assigned app. This LG Smart TV hidden tips works on most WebOS LG TVs, including OLED, NanoCell, and UHD models. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe for more smart TV tips, drop a comment, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.